Hello everyone and welcome to the second lecture of Python programming. In this lecture we will learn about variables. As we said in previous lecture, Python is a dynamical typed language, which means we don't have to declare the type of variables when we define variable. In Python, we only use variable name, equal signs, equal operators, then the value assigned to it. Generally, variables are containers for storing data. In Python, as we said, we don't have declaration. Variable don't need to declare and with any particular type and can even change a data type after they have been set. For example, x equal 5, y equal Saman, print x, print y. I have declared two different variables. The first one, x equal 5. The 5 is integer, then the data type of x will be integer. For the second one, y equal Saman. Saman is string, then the data type of y will be string. In strings, we can use single quotation or double quotation. For example, z equal between single quotations Almufti and print z. 5 Saman Almufti, print x, print y, print z. We can check the data type of variables print by using type function. Print type of x, print type of y, print type of z. Print x, y, z. 5 Saman Almufti. Print type of x, type of y, type of z. Type of x is integer. Type of y is string, and also for the third one is string. Type of z. In Python, variable names are case sensitive, which means x equal 5 is different from x capital equal, for example, 6. X capital is different from x small. Python is case sensitive in defining the variables. As in all programming language, in Python there are some rules to be known before identifying variable names. For example, in Python, variable names can take short name, for example xy, or more descriptive name, age, car name, total number. Generally the variables start with letters or underscore. For example, x equal 5, underscore x equal 5. equals 6. Variable names cannot start with numbers or any other special characters, like for example $, hash, semicolon. For example, x equal 5. If I've typed 5x equal 5, then it will give me an error in the line 1. Or if I type hash 0, percentage 0, semicolon. In Python, the programmer can assign multi-values to multi-variables in one line. For example, x equal x, y, z equal Saman, Almufti, four. Print x, print y, and print z. X equal the first value, y equal the second value, and z equal the last value. But in case of multi-variable assignment, make sure the number of variables equal the number of values. For example, if we have x, y, z, and I, number of variables equal 4, whereas the number of values equal 3. If I run the program, the program will give me an error, not enough value of unpack at line 4, line 1. In Python, when the programmer declares a variable, it allocates a memory location with the value and the variable name. For example, x equal 20, y equal 50. In the memory location, x equal 20 in the memory, y equal 50. If we declared another variable with a value equal to x, p equal 20, we have x equal 20, y equal 50, and p also equal 20. Then the same location will be assigned with two different variable name, x and y equal 20. X and y will use the same memory location, which holds the value 20. We can delete the variables in Python by using del function, delete x, delete y, delete z. When we declare the variables, each variable is created in a given unique identifier. For example, if you have x equal 5, y equal 6, x equal z equal 5. X and z have the same value. Print x, y, z. X and z, same value. If we print the identifier ID of x, y, and z, we will see x and z, which have the same value, are located at the same memory location that have ID similar to each other. ID of x is equal to ID of z, which means x and z sorry, x and z are stored in the same memory location. In Python, we can use some variable names. For example, false, def, if, rise, none, del. Those words are reserved by Python, and it can't be used as a variable name. Indentation. Indentation refers to the space at the beginning of code line. For example, print x. If I put some spaces between before the print, it will give me an error, unexpected indentation, indent at line 3. Line 3, the space are not allowed. Every programming language use the comment. For example, if the programmer needs to put some comment on the programming code to remember it after a while what he did. In Python, we use hashtag. Hashtag before the line of the programming line will make it a comment. And also we can use 3 single quotation or double quotation for commenting multi-lines. Thank you.